Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app. And once you're in here, go to the top left and tap on the Binance logo. Just tap on it. Now, once you're in here, just tap on your profile. Okay, just tap on it. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and tap on security. Just tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can see your Authenticator app is available. Just tap on it. Now, in here, go to the bottom and tap on Enable. Now, it says here verifying with passkey. Just go ahead and put in your passkey. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, you'll need to copy the 16-digit key, or we can go ahead and scan the QR code. But as you can see here, I'm just using one phone, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy the key. Now, it says here we're going to open up the Google Authenticator, so we're going to do that. Now, if you haven't downloaded the Authenticator yet, just go ahead and open up your App Store and Play Store, download it, and the Authenticator will look like this. Okay, so just tap on it. Now, once you have your Google Authenticator open, just go ahead and go to the bottom right and tap on the plus sign. Okay, now it says here either scan the QR code or enter a setup key. So we're going to select the setup key. And here, just type in the code name, for example, Binance, just like that, and your key right here. Just tap and hold and hit on paste, or type it down one by one, it's up to you. Now in here, type of key, just leave it as is and hit on add. Once done, just tap on the X button right here at the bottom right. As you can see here, Binance is added. Okay, so what we're going to do next is just go back to the Binance app. Right here, as you can see, it says come back and verify the new authenticator. Just tap on next, wait for it to load. And once it loads, it's going to need our Google Authenticator code. So just go ahead and open up Google Authenticator. Copy the code. Paste that in here. Okay. Hit on submit. As you can see here, it says added. And when you tap on back, as you can see, your Authenticator app is checked. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.